Horses sound, we have Gold Mine, pass to the game down on the inside, Mr. Environment, Love You by Heart, down on the inside, Hey Jude, we have Gold Mine, Hey Jude is running by Drell, Love You by Heart is racing in third, Talaga in fourth, Mr. Environment, sobrang class, Secret of the West, Sort of War, Manila's Queen, Grand Homer, third last, second last, Lucky Lorky, and Admiral Contender is the early trailer. We have Hey Jude by Auralenga, Gold Mine in second, Tulang So in third, Talaga, Love You by Heart in fourth, Mr. Environment is racing in fifth, next in line, sobrang class, Secret of the West, Manila's Queen, then followed by Lucky Lorky, Sort of War, then comes Grand Homer and Admiral Contender. Now we have Gold Mine, the leader by about 2 lengths, and in second position is Hey Jude, Love You by Heart, and in fourth now Mr. Environment, sobrang class down on the inside fifth, talaga Manila's Queen, Grand Homer, Admiral Contender, Lucky Lorky, and Sort of War, and it's still Gold Mine by about 4 lengths, Love You by Heart in second, Mr. Environment now in third, Hey Jude in fourth, Manila's Queen, but it's still Gold Mine this time by about 6 lengths, and in second now is Mr. Environment, Love You by Heart, Manila's Queen moving up, Admiral Contender, and nearing the finish line it's all number 5, Gold Mine. Second is Mr. Environment, Admiral Contender, Love You by Heart, Manila's Queen, Hey Jude, Grand Homer.
Manila's Queen.
11-3.